Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.2%. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.8% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair plummeted 1.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.9% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The U.S. Department of Energy will release 50 million barrels of oil from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve as part of efforts to lower prices. The dollar hit a new 4.5-year top against the yen after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell was re-nominated for a second term, reinforcing bets that U.S. interest rates would rise next year and diverge from Japan's. U.S. banking agencies have set an agenda for how to begin tackling oversight of the cryptocurrency industry, according to a joint statement that addressed custody, crypto-backed loans, and the possibility of capital standards.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. non-defense capital goods orders will be released at 13:30 GMT. The U.S. gross domestic product annualized at 13:30 GMT. Germany's IFO, business climate, at 0900 GMT. Germany's IFO current assessment will be released at 0900 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank manufacturing PMI at 0130 GMT. Australia's construction work done at 0130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.